Greetings from the National Campus Community Radio Association located in Ottawa. This is Patrick, the project coordinator, with an overview of the organizational settings, referral system, and account information for the users within the earshot digital distribution system, or eDDS for short. Let's start on the broadcaster dashboard of the eDDS. At the top of the website, you will find the organizational symbol, which will take us to the organizational settings. So organizational settings can only be seen and accessed by administrative users of the organization. On the organization settings page, we can see several fields, such as station name, station identifier, description, logo, and users. It is important to note that the station identifier is needed to be added before the organization can start using the referral system. At the bottom of the organizational settings, we can see a list of users that are currently tied to your organization's account. From these settings, new users can be invited, and existing users can be edited and deleted as needed. To invite a new user, click on the Invite button that is above the list of users. When inviting a new user, you'll need to provide an email address and name. Once this information has been provided and you have initiated the invite, the eDDS will automatically send an invitation email to the provided email address. Next, we have the referral system, which can be accessed by clicking on the referral symbol at the top of the website. The referral symbol lists the codes that have been created and some information related to them. To create a new referral code, start by pressing the Create Code button at the top right of the page. On the next page, you will be given an option to provide an email address to link it to the referral code, and if you want the system to automatically send the referral code to the email address. These two are not required and can be left blank and unchecked if you just want to generate a referral code. To generate the referral code, click on Create Code and it will generate a new referral code. It should be noted that a single referral code can be used by multiple different users. Next, we have your account information that can be accessed by hovering over the drop-down menu in the top right and selecting the My Account option. From here, you can update your email, personal account name, and password from within the system. And with that, this has been an overview of the organizational options, referral system, and account information within the eDDS. The next video in this series will cover the search functionality, advanced search filters, and the saved search feature. If you have any questions about the eDDS, please contact edds@ncra.ca for help. Thanks for joining us, and have a good day.